What's up guys, for today's video I found another pretty cool product on Amazon. This is a one log campfire, but very differently. Looks like a birch and dried out, and it says right here lights with one match. Check this out. So let's open it up and let's see how it works. There is a fire starter in here. This is what they're talking about. Once you light this thing up, it should light up the whole thing. That's pretty cool how it's gonna burn in the middle and then spread out everywhere. Very unique, never seen anything like that. Okay, let's put it to the test. Put it to the side and light it up. Maybe like this. Oh wow, look at that. The candle doesn't need to light up. The actual birch bark is lighting up a lot faster. That's crazy. Okay, that's what I should have done in the first place. But once you light it up, looks like this is the best way. Yeah, birch barks usually so concentrated with sap, could be its own fire starter. But anyways, I'm going to hold it like that. It is much bigger matches. Maybe what they talking about with one big match. There you go. I love these matches. Look how long I have to get that fire starter on fire. And as you can see, the smoke coming out from the top, so we'll have no problem. Okay, there you go. I really like that there is a little handle in here. Now we just let it burn and wait. We'll see what happens. Obviously you can burn it like that or inside of the fire pit, whatever. Okay, couple minutes in and it's honestly burning so well, and it's a log of birch, so it's gonna be burning pretty good. I love birch. The way it works so well, because obviously it's birch, seasoned, but I never seen this kind of cuts before, this way, and that way the oxygen going through here. Let me set it down the camera right here. And the flames are burning over there, so makes sense, right? Oxygen coming from here and from this side as well, and the flames are burning so good, and obviously from up here as well. That's why it's burning so good, kind of like a rocket stove, but definitely very different design what I'm used to. And look at that, they're giving off quite a good flames. Even in a sunny day you can see lots of flames. Okay, definitely a thumbs up for me. I'm definitely will do this myself with my logs. I don't have any birch, but hopefully it will work with like poplar and other, maybe pine will work with that. So looks like it's working really good. Pretty decent flame happening over here. Not too big, not super small either. In the dark time probably will look even better. Anyways, this layer cuts now really hot inside there, so it's not slowing down anytime soon. I think with this birch it's gonna burn off quite well. So we're gonna let it burn for a little bit longer and we'll see what happens once it's burned off more than half. Okay, it's finally almost burnt all the way through. Ooh. But as you can see, I tried to blow at it, wind pick up. Look how hot it is in there. So it's not going out anytime soon. Amazing way to start a fire, that's for sure. One log campfire. Look at that. Just blew at it a little bit, got it really hot again, and we have here pretty decent flames all the way around. That bark came off, and birch bark is very flammable because of all that sap. But yeah, super nice.